Hello everyone, welcome to Starguru online classes. Today a new topic, that is chapter 2, fractions and decimals. Okay, this topic is from CBSE syllabus, children. Okay, now let's start. Say, in your previous class already you have learned about fractions and decimals, right? So here once again we'll revise it. Okay children, so what do you mean by a fraction? Yes, a fraction represents a part of a whole, right? What do you mean by a fraction, children? A fraction represents a part of a whole. So see here this is a whole pizza, right? So this whole pizza is divided into how many parts? Into two parts, right? So here this piece is for Sita, okay? And the remaining part is for Ram. Yes. So here this whole pizza is divided into how many parts? That is two parts, right? So how do we call it? That Sita has eaten half and Ram has eaten half. Do we call it as the whole? No. Why? Because the whole pizza is divided into two parts. So here Sita got the half of the pizza and Ram has got half of the pizza. So here half, how can we write it? Yes. So here we can write it as 1 by 2. Okay. So here this half can be written as 1 by 2. So here the top, what is here? That is 1. So 1, we'll call it as a numerator. Okay, what do we call, children? We call it as a numerator. And the bottom, right? So here this is a numerator, right? And what do we call here the bottom number? That is 2. We'll call it as a denominator. Okay, and always the fractions are always less than 1, children. Okay, denominator. Okay, so here coming to the next. So here the fractions are divided into parts, into 3 parts. That is here first one, proper fraction. Okay, so here what do you mean by a proper fraction? A proper fraction is a fraction which has its numerator value less than the denominator. Okay, so a fraction which has the numerator value less than the denominator. Okay, so let us see here the example, that is 2 by 7, 9 by 13, 6 by 9, 5 by 21. So if we observe here the examples, see the numerator is less than the denominator, right? So we'll call it as a proper